Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back at the truck. I've ordered all the necessary parts, a new steering rack, tie rods, tie rod ends, all the bushings for the front axle. Also got some new front shocks, some nuts and bolts. I've checked out the car and sprayed every nut and bolt that I can think of. I've also ordered a new bearing for this side and some brake parts as well. I'm gonna start by removing the calipers and just hang them to the side on both sides, because the bolts are pretty hard to grab, and after that I can remove all the other stuff. Surprisingly, this car being 84, it has original parts on the steering, but everything is pretty much gone. So not sure if you can see, it's pretty dark in there, but there's a huge gap over there. The only things I couldn't buy are these bushings and those rubber bellow things. As you can see, that washer is blown out too. Actually, the tie rods and tie rod ends don't look bad, but the whole steering rack has a pretty big move to it, and the sway bar and everything else is pretty much gone. So let me get some tools and put you on the stand, and we go from there. There are some punch marks all over the spindle. Maybe the wheel bearing spun on them. That's why they try to raise the surface by hitting it with a punch all around. You can see also how much this upper arm moves. Yep, it's gone. So the left side is out. The ball joint was bad too, so I take out the spindle. Also the trailing arm. There it is. That's the left side. Let me show you the right side. That's the right side. I guess I have to get a new one. And the hole where it goes in, that should be round. And it wore off this part of the hole. I have to weld it back. Just put a piece of sheet metal in there and weld it. The bigger problem is to get this arm replaced, which I have to get somewhere. Now to the steering rack. I think I'm going to disconnect just 2 of those, and after that I can mount this flange piece onto the new steering rack. Other than that, there are 2 bolts over there, 2 over there. Wasn't too bad actually. Come on. There you are. And there it goes. Come on, little fella. Yeah, the bushing is also toasted. Pah! So guys, I just cleaned all of those up. I tried to press out the bushings without any luck, so I have to get over to my body and press them out with a hydraulic press and put the new ones back in. And I also removed these ball joints from the spindles. I've ordered new ones. They should arrive soon. Then I can press those in at my body's place again. Other than that, I cleaned up the brake rotors the best as I can. They seem fine to me. I just cleaned up the edges. As for the upper arms, I just hit the bushings out with a hammer. Wasn't too bad actually. And let me grab a new one. These are the new ones. They should go in just fine with a bit of grease and the socket. So let's give it a try. So both upper arms are done. Let's mount the upper ball joints with a little bit of grease. these are done. They can go back in their place. Let's just put them over here. I think that's it for today, because I'm running out of time and I need to order the ball joints that I missed and go over to my buddy to press all those in, but that's gonna be next week, I hope. So stay tuned for a new video on next Sunday. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.